Hello all, welcome to Sam's Kitchen. Today we'll be making tawa pua. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat. Add 1 cup of sugar, teaspoon salt and mix it properly. We will be adding water and mixing it properly at regular intervals. Once we have this semi-liquid batter, then add a pinch of elaichi powder in it. Mix it properly and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Take a frying pan and spread the wet batter in a similar fashion as of dosa. Cover and heat it for 2 minutes. Add little amount of ghee on top of it. And cook for additional 2 minutes. Flip to the other side. And follow the same process. Your tawa pua is ready to eat. You can either roll it and have it with Nutella, or you can have it with any of the sabji. If you like this video, then do share, comment, and if you're new to this channel, then hit the red button that is subscribe. Product links are in the description below. Thank you.